Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to download and install the Firefox application to your Android TV even if you don't have Google Play Store app. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So on your Android TV, if you want to install the Firefox browser without Google Play Store, you can go ahead and use your browser. If your TV is an Android TV, then any browser is going to work. So go over to your browser or whatever browser you have, and on it you're going to search for the name of the application, which in this case is a Firefox browser. Now you can see it over here on my result page. So click on it and you are going to see a result like this. Now, since my TV is an Android TV, then I can install the application from here and it's going to work because the application is designed for Android devices. So once you go over here, you can just go over here and click on the install button that you see here, and this is going to start to install the application to your Android TV. Now, if that option isn't available, which I doubt, because if your TV is an Android TV, it's always going to be available. But if for some reason it's not available, then you can just browse through to see other options like third-party sites in which you can install the same application. And as you can see, there are a couple of them. There is a soft tonic site, there is up to down side also here that you can use to install the application to your Android TV if the first option doesn't work. But for my recommendation, the first option is always the best. So always use the first option to install the application, and this is the first option here. So just click on it and the application is downloading and install once it's done to your Android TV.